my name is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could earn money by simply posting on social media. Alright, now this is a website called Webtalk and I recently discovered it. Alright, and I'm going to show you right now how you could earn by simply posting on it and liking and sharing people's content. Alright, now this is the rewards program that they have to offer. Alright, as you can see, I earned 243 total points. Alright, now if you go to my dashboard, so far I've earned 3 cents that without me doing pretty much anything, just made a few posts and liked a few comments so far. I've only been on here a few days. Alright, now where you could really start earning is the referral program that they have. Alright, and you can get your referral links right here. And excuse me, I'm going to show you how you could really start to earn by promoting this. Okay, now if you go all the way down here, they have, you could be a free member. All right, you could earn 100% matching points off future revenue streams, and bonus, earn 10 points through 5 levels when you directly refer a pro customer. All right, and then for pro customers, you can earn 10% revenue share for life, and 5 levels deep. Pro upgrades, 100% matching points, all future revenue streams. All right. Now, so let's go down to the income calculator. All right. This is what's possible with the program if you put max effort into it. Now let's see. So you're gonna use this calculator to estimate how much you can earn per month by using Webtalk, just simply by using the platform. All right, and add rewards. So it says how many engagement points will you earn per month, and 3,100 is the max. So you just type in 3,100, and that's not too far off to achieve. All right, and how many influencer points you will earn per month. Right, put in 100,000. All right, and that right off the bat, without referring anyone, you'll get $10 per month. All right, now if you expand it here, now if you're good at referring or recruiting people, or if you're not even good at it, you just say you get in like 5 people. All right, and let's see, and then it says how many engagement and influencer points will your referrals earn per month on average. Say they earned 100,000. Excuse me, if they were active on the platform. All right. Okay, and then at what percentage of your referrals will upgrade? Say only 1% of that 5 upgrade. All right. And then how many people will your referrals invite? Say you have a lot of people that share it with their family and friends on Facebook that already have Facebook, right? Say 20 people. Let's see. If you even go, so the 5 people referred 5 people, right? That's $39,138 per month with this program. All right. Now you say, how well? Where's all the money coming from? All right. So this program is a new platform. Like I said, it combines, not combines, but it's a combination of Facebook and LinkedIn, right? Say if LinkedIn and Facebook had a baby, this would be it. So where they're getting their revenue from is all the advertising and the ads posted on the website, like just like Facebook. Okay, so Facebook, what they do, they keep all the money for themselves, and you post on there daily, you're on there all the time, but they they make billions off of you, and you don't receive a dime. With this program, you'll actually make money with this program. All right, just by referring people to it and being active on the website simply by posting um, your whatever you want, whatever business you're in, just like I've been doing here on this side. All right. So I just posted my blog on here. You could do different stuff. All right. You get notifications like Facebook. You could send out messages. All right. And you could do hashtags as well too. Oops. Get out of here. All right. And you get notifications. All right. This is the company owner here. All right. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the new company social media platform and would like to get started for free, just click the link below. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.